Today we are heading out of the city of Lisbon
and going to Belém.
Let's go! We have made it to Belém.
Behind us is the famous Tower of Belem.
The tower was really cool. I would definitely recommend coming to check it out. I definitely don't think you should go up the tower because the line was insane. The outside is definitely worth checking out. And now we are off to our next attraction here in Belém. So behind us is the Monument of Discoveries, which is all about the 15th and 16th century Portuguese when they were out navigating and discovering the world and stuff. So it's pretty cool.
This whole area near the Tower of Belem and the Monument to the Discoveries is super nice. We enjoy our walk here so much.
And now we are off to the monastery, I believe, where supposedly Pastel De Nata was invented.
Seriously beautiful. There is a church side and also a monastery side. And the good thing about having those two sections is that the church side is free.
The monastery is apparently also really nice, but it is 10 euros per person to go in, so we decided to pass on it for today.
Now we're gonna head out to have some pistache. Pistache, 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 pistache.
We just ordered our food and we are excited because I am so hungry. Feels very flaky.
Photo shot.
Very good, very tasty, very creamy, very flaky, very. It's good, it's delicious.
We're here now at the Alex factory.
This was an old industrial complex which has been converted into a art complex essentially. There's a bunch of art retailers and galleries and there's some cool restaurants. So it's like a cool little hipster area.
Let's go check it out. So we see the sardine stores or the camp stores everywhere in Lisbon, and we gotta buy one, try it out, for sure.
So many choices. We've really enjoyed walking around here at Alex Factory, and now we are stopping to have a quick little bite to eat here at one of the mini restaurants at Alex Factory. So Alex Factory is super cool. We're really glad we came here and we've had a great time. And now we are just gonna head back towards our Airbnb and maybe stop for some groceries on the way back so that we can keep our costs down. After a nice home-cooked meal at our Airbnb, we are heading back out, and it's time to climb some stairs so we can get a nice view of the city to end things off. This is one of the most beautiful viewpoints in the entire city, and it's pretty close to our Airbnb. It was just a walk up a bunch of stairs.
And now we're just gonna go to the cafe right beside us to grab a cup of coffee and maybe a glass of wine and just hang out for the rest of the evening.
That was the perfect way to end our night, and now we're just gonna finish up our little snack and tea over here while watching the sunset before heading back to our Airbnb. We've got an early day tomorrow because we're heading to Sintra.
See you guys tomorrow.